So we'll go straight to it, guys. Today I'm going to be pretty much removing the CSL front bumper and just reinstalling of like bolts and everything, because I mocked it up with zip ties, which is dodgy. And sad to say, I'm actually going to sell this car just to fund the R34 build. So pretty much for like the bolt-ons and everything like that. So I'm just getting it ready for sale. It's sad to see it go because honestly, like I personally love the car. I've had it for over a year now and not one issue. I didn't have any issues with this car, but yeah. I'm just making it a habit to pretty much make as much videos as I can. Just to keep it a discipline pretty much. And it's good to look back on the memories. So, because like after I'm finished working on a car, I just kick back and just watch a video, or like I have a memory of it. So it's pretty nice. Reminisce like the cars I've had. So it'll be a shame to see this go, but the R34 has been more important to me, and I still have this one to build. So yeah, that's that. I do want to do a complete engine swap, gearbox. That's definitely after the R34 though. But yeah, we'll just get down to business and start jamming on this. Step is to pretty much remove it, and then we'll find places to bolt it up from there. Probably, I'm thinking at the end of each, the bumper and the two in the middle, which I probably already did here. Can't really see, it's terrible. Like two there, two on each side. I think that should be enough. First step, remove the bumper, and then we'll find our bolting points. Front bumper's all off now. It's so funny, it looks so naked. Yeah, it's just sitting over there. My plan is, my freaking light's dying, so I might have to go up, grab a battery for that. Probably find mounting points. Oh, jeez. Yeah, it's really dead. So I know, around. Just put new batteries in the white light, and that's so much better. I can actually see where I'm working now. What I was pretty much saying is I'm probably going to find mounting points around there, possibly front crash bar, possibly if I have a strong enough tool to go into it. Say hello to my little friend. This is pretty much what I'm going to use to drill my holes. Well, as expected, we have to go to good old Bunnings. Alright, I'll be back E46. Anyway, yeah, so we're pretty much heading down to Bunnings just to grab that extension cord for the drill, so pretty much I could just reach the bumper. Alright, so I'm back. I didn't spend, well, I didn't record too much inside, but I'll show you guys what I got. I stopped by Repco as well and picked up the gold class wash. I actually absolutely love this, the Maguire's wash. It's really good. I got this just to remove the oil filter in the E46, both of them. So hopefully that works. I got this for the side mounts for the bumper. We'll see if that works as well. I don't know. I got these just to drill. Got this to drill the hole into pretty much the front to support it. What else did I got? Yeah, this as well, just in case that one's not good enough. I grabbed that, and the extension cord I came for. I got so sidetracked, like as you do, but I actually needed all these things, so whatever. All right, yeah, now we'll head home and just pretty much, we'll put everything together. Hopefully we get the bumper on good today. I'm pretty sure we should. I'm pretty confident we should get it on pretty good today. And then yeah, then I'll be happy. Alright, so pretty much the right side I was just quickly doing without talking just to make sure, it's gonna work. And pretty much, yeah, everything worked out. It drilled through and lined up perfectly. I double checked, triple checked the lineup before I did it. So the fronts are done, bolted them into the crush bar. It's pretty sturdy. All I gotta do now is just the left, oh sorry, well, standing from here, the right and the left side. So my genius plan is, since I already got a hole there, I might try just drill a hole into that plastic and then go up from there. If there's a will, there's a way. So I'm making a way. So, jeez, what the shit's taking? Chill, go on your side. It's whatever. I'll do it this way. Alright, pretty much just I eyeballed the bolt lineup, and I think perfect. To be honest, I think I got lucky. So just gonna push the bumper in, and then I'm just gonna chuck a bolt in from one of my bolt tubs. Alright, now just pretty much onto the other side and we're good. That's it, done. Yeah, I can't believe I eyeballed that one. I didn't even line the screw up, I just estimated the shit out of it. It worked out. So bolted up, pretty much as secure as it's gonna be. 2 at the front, 2 at the sides. I'm gonna secure the carbon extensions at the bottom of the bar too, and then that's it. And then yeah, I'll give it a wash, give it a interior detail, I guess, and put it up for sale. It's kind of sad to see it go, but I have bigger plans with that one and with the other E46 and the R34. Like, I've been looking into just basic bolt-ons, and I know, knowing me, it's just not gonna stop there. So I might just do it all. Like, might even start doing like cams and everything. So who knows? Maybe the head, machine it, or what? Who knows? But yeah, so I gotta let that one go. But Alright guys, so we're all packed up, finished. I just show you how it lines up a lot better. As always, appreciate if you guys made it to the end of the video. If not, still appreciate it. I know you probably won't see this, but yeah. So E46 is all together. Tomorrow or the next video, probably I want to put the bucket seats in the 2-door E46. So that'll be pretty cool. Something, I guess, fun. And then just waiting on selling the 4-door, and then we'll start on the R34's engine build. So I'm really excited for that. Can't wait. And also waiting on the tires as well. So that's gonna be fun. Also, before I end it, I just want to say I appreciate all the comments. A lot of people are curious. A lot of people are curious about the R34 and how the bodywork was done. I think I might make another video, maybe with just like the photos of the processes of where the body had to be touched up to be kind of so that it flows better. So yeah, I probably might just make a little video like that. Might just talk with photos and slideshows and maybe walk around the car as well. Who knows? But yeah, anyway. But yeah, as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.